When TB Joshua was alive,
Yes.
TB Joshua was dining with the gods of the land. But TB Joshua, now he signed. He was ashamed to tell people, Nigerians say, now gods of the land I'm dining with, or now gods of the land they give me information.
See, which TB Joshua?
The TB Joshua is crying for Nigeria. When TB Joshua was sending prophecy across the world and Africa, how many beings contact Nigeria say make TB Joshua the chop Nigeria business? See, from Nigeria, I'm moving to South Africa. From South Africa to Cameroon, I am bringing all the hidden secrets about the celebrities, about the politicians, about the men of God. That they don't know it, so I'm bringing it out. So anywhere you see my video, I beg share. Share, make it go everywhere. I am a confirmed seer. You can Google me. True, any DBA across the world, true, any seer across the world, or any fortune teller, just take my picture.
My people, wonder shall never end though, my people. It don't happen again, it don't said. Make una carry una jokote sit down. Come listen to this Ghana seer. No be small something on I talk about this late prophet. So my people, no be small matter. Waiting me self come dey think, I can't imagine say this person, so when they drag this pastor, so when they drag, he don't delete. All these people when they come and they talk say this prophet do them something, this prophet nakana them, this prophet touch them, this prophet touch where they're not supposed to touch. Hey, unbelievable, my people. That time when you dey alive, why all these people, why they not come out, make they drag this matter well? Now e don kpai. If they wan carry this man go court, now how court go take judge this matter? Hey, unbelievable, my people. Make una listen to wetin this seer talk. Make no come be say I too talk or this video too long. This video na 2 in 1, and make una still listen to Apostle Dr. Kassy. Wetin he talk about this matter, the person when they behind this matter. So wetin make them they drag this late prophet, late TB Joshua. My people, matter ta igele, no be small something, no be small matter. Make una just watch the full video, and I go see you on the ending of this video.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, viewers, depending where you're watching from. Now, still on the issue of Prophet TB Joshua, I think every pastors, top pastors, in fact, you people have to start learning now, because a lot of things are really playing on this issue of Prophet TB Joshua. I know some persons don't like me. I don't want you to like me, but me, I dig out truth and I expose them. You understand what I'm saying now? Now, I just saw one video. In fact, the woman who sponsored this whole stuff about Prophet TB Joshua. In fact, I'm going to be dropping the video. Not everybody are mentally balanced. BBC. Now, no see say this woman not the mental balance. I want to show a video of a BC where first the craze before as TB Joshua to heal him for the madness. But TB Joshua no heal and finish. She no well, she no come well finish. So according now, here and when she talking with her mouth, say sometimes she discuss. You understand? So TB Joshua no heal and finish. Not this thing now they talk. TB Joshua supposed to heal and finish. Now the healing now. When you know he finish, now the thing don't start again. She come the say he asked me to provide veggies. She do face like what the mess put. He asked me to provide veggies. Police supposed to investigate this woman. Yes, now because we need to know the family of the people where this woman go carry virgin, give man of God. Because now she they alive now. May tell us how many virgin in the family where she for take the virgin for go give Prophet TB Joshua before she do face like a baseki. No, I go watch the video. Not say if I dey talk sometimes. So no, I want to leave it at the talk. This woman, so when I see so now BC, devil incarnate. If I tell now my experience with this lady they call BC, I go fear. These ones, they can do anything for money. I never, you see, I want to make a BBC drop all their documentary about TB Joshua there before me, Kassy. or come out. Another call, talk to the another documentary. No, made a drop on the documentary first. But for now, first, I want more of a new that they listen to. The woman saying, if I guess, cause she there. And I listen to her.
That will be going through your mind. Watch the following footage and find out.
What is the problem you have with your brain?
I always have a terrible headache, which is called migraine. And anytime it happens, I always misbehave. I don't care about what happens in my surroundings. I always behave irrationally. I don't care about what happens to me next.
Tell us what normally happens to you, the experiences you have when this migraine comes.
I always have terrible nightmares. So these nightmares always haunt me. I don't regard anybody. I just behave the way my spirit dictates to me. Anything my spirit says, I will just do it.
If you have ever experienced a migraine,